kaleidoscope of diverse activities, a panorama of purposeful progress, and a tapestry of talents. The school has truly carved a niche for itself in a short span of time, and I would like to share some luminous moments of glory that our students have achieved in this academic session. The year 2025 saw our second batch of grade 10 with a stellar 100% result. With immense pride, I would like to announce that Gopal topped his class, achieving a score of 97.2%, closely followed by Yuvraj Sohal, who scored 96.2%. This is where our focus truly shines. Like a meticulously cut diamond, an astounding 36% of our students scored 90 and above in the board exams. This remarkable feat is a testament to the school's target-oriented approach, the tireless dedication of our faculty, and our relentless focus on academic mastery. Academic excellence, not just board exams. Our students have performed exceedingly well at the school Olympiads also. We introduced some more Olympiads this year, like STEM, French Olympiad, even Punjabi Olympiad we have added this year. And one of our students of grade 3, Riyansh Sancheti, won zonal silver medal in the International Computer Science Olympiad. Beyond the confines of the school campus, at Elysian, a fiercely contested inter-school competition, Amira Chauhan of grade 3 won the first position in the poetry recitation. In journal writing, Ziana Nair, grade 7, stood first, and Pandrita Rana, grade 10, stood second, powerfully turning their thoughts into eloquent prose. It gives me immense pleasure to share that our students have brought laurels by participating at the Brookfield Model United Nations very recently. Anahat Kaur, grade 9, received special mention in IP committee under the journalism category. Here I would like to highlight that she has also participated in the National Young Authors Fair organized by Bree Books and has successfully published her debut book, The Topper's Curse, which has not only reached the Asian level but has also been recognized as the emerging bestseller at the national level. She has secured an international standard book number allotted by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Parviz Sheikh of grade 10 received honorable mention, and Ditya Sharma of grade 9 also received honorable mention prize at the same MUN. For us, participation is preparation. And our students have been fast, fierce, focused, and bringing laurels to the school. Samriddhi Grover, grade 2, won 2 gold medals in roller skating at the district level, followed by Sayansh Day, grade 6, bronze medal in Taekwondo at district level. Both are under 14 boys and under 17 girls badminton teams, gold medal at the zonal level. Under 17 girls chess team, gold medal at the zonal level, and under 14 boys chess team, second place at the zonal level tournaments. Anshika Arora of grade 2, silver medal, and Hardik of grade 4, bronze medal in roller skating at district level. Ashika, a student of grade 3, bronze medal in Chandigarh State inline roller skating hockey. Pandrita Rana, grade 10, silver medal in Taekwondo at the district level, another silver medal at the Open State Tournament, and a proud silver medal in the Khelo India Nationals. We can give them all a round of applause. Vaishali of grade 8, bronze medal in Taekwondo at the district level. Ananthvi, grade 6, bronze medal in the Open Taekwondo Championship. Imratpreet Kaur, Japsiddar Kaur, Harshpreet Kaur, bronze medals in lawn tennis at the district level. Our under-17 girls basketball team, third place at the district level. Skand Katyayan and Ojas Rawat, our under-14 football team members, won a bronze medal at the district level. Dear parents, we are in the 5th year of our academic sessions. We are immensely proud to possess and consistently upgrade the state-of-the-art infrastructure within the campus. This infrastructure for athletics, swimming, tennis, cricket, skating, football, volleyball and shooting is a clear manifestation of our deep commitment